Detailed study note on Trandolapril. Number 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name Trandolapril is the official non-proprietary generic name of the drug. Drug class. Trandolapril belongs to ACE inhibitors, angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors, antihypertensive agents. ACE inhibitors are drugs that lower blood pressure by blocking the formation of angiotensin II, a powerful vasoconstrictor. Brand names. Common marketed brands include Mavic, Tarca. Drug forms available as oral tablets, oral capsules in some countries. Common strengths, 0.5 milligrams, 1 milligrams, 2 milligrams, 4 milligrams. The medicine is mainly intended for long-term oral use. Number 2, definition. Trandolapril is a prescription medication used to lower high blood pressure, protect the heart after heart attack, improve heart function in heart failure patients. It is a prodrug, meaning it becomes active only after being converted in the liver into its active metabolite called trandolaprilat. The drug helps reduce cardiac workload, blood vessel resistance, risk of cardiovascular complications. Mechanism of action. Renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system. Normally, 1. Kidneys release renin. 2. Renin converts angiotensinogen, angiotensin 1. 3. ACE converts angiotensin 1, angiotensin 2. 4. Angiotensin 2 causes vasoconstriction, aldosterone release, sodium and water retention, increased blood pressure. Trandolapril blocks ACE enzyme activity. Angiotensin I, angiotensin 2. Because ACE is inhibited, less angiotensin 2 is produced, blood vessels relax, blood pressure falls, aldosterone decreases, sodium and water retention reduce. Additional effects. ACE inhibition also increases bradykinin, which contributes to vasodilation but may cause dry cough, angioedema. Overall effects. Decreased preload, decreased afterload, improved cardiac output, reduced heart remodeling after MI. Number 4, pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Rapidly absorbed after oral administration. Food may slightly affect absorption but not significantly. Distribution. Widely distributed in body tissues, moderately protein-bound. Metabolism. Trandolapril is inactive initially. It is converted in the liver to trandolaprilat, active form. Half-life. Parent drug short, active metabolite, long half-life, 16 to 24 hours. This allows once-daily dosing, stable blood pressure control, excretion, excreted through kidneys mainly, feces, small amount. Clinical importance. Patients with kidney impairment may accumulate the drug requiring dose adjustment. Uses, primary uses. Hypertension. Used alone or with other antihypertensives to control high blood pressure. Benefits include reduced stroke risk, reduced heart attack risk, protection of kidneys and heart. Heart failure. Helps the failing heart pump more efficiently. After myocardial infarction. Improves survival after heart attack, especially in patients with left ventricular dysfunction, reduced ejection fraction. Other possible uses. Sometimes used for diabetic nephropathy, cardiovascular risk reduction. Number 6, indications. Indications are approved medical conditions for use. FDA, clinical indications. Essential hypertension, for mild to severe hypertension. Left ventricular dysfunction after MI, used in stable patients after myocardial infarction. Heart failure support, may help reduce progression of symptomatic heart failure. Number 7, contraindications. Contraindications are situations where the drug should not be used. Absolute contraindications. Previous angioedema, especially ACE inhibitor-induced angioedema. Pregnancy, ACE inhibitors can cause fetal kidney damage, oligohydramnios, fetal death. Hypersensitivity, allergy to trandolapril or ACE inhibitors. Bilateral renal artery stenosis may severely reduce kidney perfusion. Relative contraindications, use cautiously in severe renal failure, severe hypotension, hyperkalemia. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Kidney disease, ACE inhibitors can worsen kidney function initially. Monitoring needed, serum creatinine, BUN, GFR. Liver disease activation occurs in liver, so hepatic disease may affect drug metabolism. Hyperkalemia, risk ACE inhibitors retain potassium. Risk increases with kidney disease, potassium supplements, potassium-sparing diuretics. Dehydration can cause sudden severe hypotension. Surgery anesthesia, inform surgeon because ACE inhibitors may enhance hypotension during surgery. Pregnancy and breastfeeding, contraindicated in pregnancy, use caution in breastfeeding. Number 9, how to use administration. Take orally once daily, same time each day, with or without food. Consistency. Regular use is essential because hypertension is often symptomless. Monitoring. Patients should monitor blood pressure, weight, heart failure patients, swelling, dizziness advice. Drug works best with low salt diet, exercise, smoking cessation, weight reduction. Number 10, dosing information. Hypertension, initial dose, usually 1 milligrams once daily. Maintenance dose, 2 to 4 milligrams daily. Maximum dose depends on patient condition and response. Heart failure post-MI. Lower starting doses are used because these patients are sensitive to hypotension. Example, 0.5 to 1 milligrams initially, dose increase gradually under supervision. Elderly patients require lower doses due to reduced kidney function, increased sensitivity. Renal impairment, dose adjustment is necessary. Number 11, missed dose and overdose. Missed dose. If missed, take immediately when remembered. Skip if near next dose. Never double doses, take extra tablets. Overdose. Symptoms, severe hypotension, bradycardia, shock, dizziness, kidney failure. Management. Hospital treatment may include IV fluids, blood pressure support, electrolyte correction. Number 12. Stop or avoid taking. Stop immediately. If facial swelling occurs, difficulty breathing develops, severe allergic reaction occurs. Avoid use with potassium salt substitutes, certain diuretics, pregnancy. Do not suddenly stop without advice. Stopping abruptly may worsen hypertension, heart failure. Number 13, side effects, common side effects, dry cough due to bradykinin accumulation, dizziness, especially after first dose, fatigue, usually mild, headache, temporary in many patients. Serious side effects, angioedema, swelling of lips, tongue, face, airway, medical emergency. Hyperkalemia symptoms, muscle weakness, irregular heartbeat, kidney dysfunction, more common in elderly, renal artery stenosis, dehydrated patients. Number 14, vital information. Black box warning, pregnancy warning, can injure or kill fetus. Regular monitoring needed, blood pressure, kidney function, electrolytes. Important advice. Patients should stay hydrated, avoid excess potassium, limit alcohol. Number 15, other drugs will affect Trandolapril. NSAIDs examples, ibuprofen, diclofenac, may reduce antihypertensive effect, damage kidneys. Potassium-sparing diuretics examples, spironolactone, amiloride, increase risk of hyperkalemia. Lithium toxicity may increase. Diuretics can cause severe first-dose hypotension. Other antihypertensives, additive blood pressure lowering may occur. Number 16, drug comparison feature Trandolapril, enalapril, lisinopril, losartan, class ACI, ACI, AC, ACI, ARB, active metabolite, yes, yes, no, yes. Cough risk, moderate, low, dosing, once daily, 1 to 2 times a day, once daily. Angioedema risk, present, lower, use in ACI cough, avoid, preferred alternative. Important difference, ARBs like losartan usually produce less cough. Number 17, patient teaching, medication adherence, take medicine regularly even if feeling healthy. Blood pressure monitoring, maintain home BP records, recognize danger signs, seek immediate help for swelling of face, breathing difficulty, severe dizziness. Dietary advice, avoid high potassium foods in excess, salt substitutes containing potassium. Lifestyle modification, encourage exercise, healthy diet, smoking cessation, weight control. Pregnancy counseling, women should inform doctor immediately if pregnant, use contraception if appropriate. Follow-up, regular medical visits are important for lab tests, dose adjustment, monitoring side effects. Thank you. Have a nice day.